right. Try not to cry when I do this.
Wait.
I just want to say thank you to each one of you guys. I was really scared when I first did this. You know, you hear about chemotherapy being poison and, you know, having cancer and all this crazy stuff, and I never wanted to come here, and I was so scared. And Jen, you were my first nurse, and you made things so much easier. And you guys, like, every single week we've had fun, and you know, each one of you guys have impacted me individually, and you know, this, I you know, like I'm saying, like, oh, I hate that chemo's ending. It's like I don't miss the drugs, but I'm gonna miss you guys, and you know. You know, you guys really mean a lot to me. So thank you for your compassion and your, you know, made it fun. We had fun here.
Yes, we did.
All right.
Go get it.
Bring it.
Go
Loud.
get it. Come on. Nicely done.
Oh, thank you. Oh, of course I will.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh no, wait. Go back again. Let's clap. Go back over there. Let's clap again.
Okay.
Come on, come on. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. This is Vero's thing. You can always come back on.
Vero's thing. Vero's adding to
Vero's
it.
adding. Everybody's
Have
coming back.
Vero, congratulations. Congratulations. I like it.
Huggy again.
American Idol.
Oh, you deserve a hug too because you've been